Mendel's experiment with pea plant in details. Mendel used visible 7 contrasting characteristic of Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum is nothing but garden pea. He took 7 visible, जो appearance wise visible ho, contrasting is nothing but one character being different from another. Let us have a look at that 7 visible contrasting character. The first character was height of the plant kids. Yes, height of the plants consider किए थे. उसमें हम फिर variety था. There was tall and dwarf. First characteristic. Second characteristic was color of the flower. It could be purple or white or red or white as certain books में दिया हुआ है. So second characteristic. Third characteristic was seed shape. Seed could either be round in shape or wrinkled. So this was the third one. Fourth, अगर हम बात करें, it was about the seed color. It could be yellow in color or green. Next characteristic was pod color. Pod could be green in color or yellow in color. Followed by the sixth characteristic, pod shape. It could be full or constricted. And last characteristic, kids, was position of the flower. Flower, it could either be on the axial position or terminal. Side पे रहे तो axial, top पे रहे तो terminal. So these are the 7 contrasting characteristics that Mendel has used for his experiment. चलो, garden pea के different characteristics तो हमने ले तो लिए. What was Mendel trying to do, or what was he thinking to do with this traits, bacha? The answer is he was trying to produce offsprings by crossing these different traits or characteristics, and thus he wanted to calculate the percentage of offspring with particular trait. Yes, he wanted to calculate के कितना percent जाता है offsprings में. Mendel made several crosses of the pea plant involving only one pair of characteristic. 7 characteristic है, right? Yes. उसमें से he just took one characteristic. Say for example, he took tall plant. Height of the plant यहाँ पे हमारा feature है, kids. तो he took a tall plant and then he crossed it over with a dwarf plant. He took only one pair at a time, बच्चा. So जब ऐसा क्रॉस जहां पे सिर्फ एक पेयर लिया गया हो, that is called as monohybrid cross. As Mendel has taken one characteristic at the time, understand this, 7 में से सिर्फ 1 लिए गए हैं बच्चा, that is called as monohybrid cross, where mono is once and hybrid means 2 different characteristics. So he took a tall pea plant and crossed it over with a dwarf pea plant. And this was called as the first parent for crossing. If it's a male father and a female mother, तो parents बोलेंगे ना हम उनको after offspring is produced. Yes, तो ये हमारे first parents है बच्चा. That is why it is also called as P1 generation.